Good morning, everybody. We got Green Day. If you watched last FOMC in the chart, it was almost like same action, but the difference is that that time we didn't have earning. But this time we had earning, and Meta was a big help, and GDP report too. But anyhow, recent reports and last FOMC, same thing happened. Next day, boom, jumped up. So congrats whoever got a load of calls. Anyhow, market was running up right now. 5 minutes is dead crossing on the ES, and then the 15 got a golden cross last night. 3 a.m. got a golden cross, and then dead cross right now is kind of flat. So if you see this curve up, it can go crazy up. It can push market, can go squeezy up. Right now, 30 is still up. We need to have some light blue bar to market continue squeezing up. Still bullish on the 1 hour, but TTM squeeze are the same bar. Market is in the breakout mode right now, so it's just a question of if it's gonna continue today or it's gonna consolidate. Definitely don't see anything for pullback. 4 hours upward bullish and giving a lot of hope. And daily is flat curving up, so if this one continues going up, market can get very squeezy. Weeklies again, we have light blue bars and it's squeezy up, and that RSI is in overbought zone, which you can call also power zone. Once it gets there, it can stay few candle there, so we'll see how far can it go up. Few more good earnings, it can go crazy. Sorry for starting late. I would just wanted to be as close as I can to the opening bell so I can get a better accurate predictions. And NQ pre-market, the most green index. That's the most greenness between all the other futures. 5 is dead crossing right now, so we still have 20 minutes to go. And then we'll see what happens at open. 15 is flat, 30 is kind of flat right now. They both need to curve up and pass the high of pre-market to squeeze up higher. 1 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar, but if market jumps at open, this can turn again light blue bar. 4 hour very bullish. Daily, if the daily curves up and gives a golden cross anytime next few days, text can rip up higher. And weekly, we still have dark blue bars. um, what else we got here? Dow Jones, it's gonna be a record again. 14 day, I don't know, 14 13, losing the count. This is just continuing on and stop going up. 4 hours golden cross, and this one is not too far from all-time high, so we'll see. RUT, green 2, but I show you on the IWM that one. TNX 1% higher, but nobody cares about it, seems like so far. It jumped after 8:30 news, but nothing special. It needs to get to 40 to get it scary, to scare the market. DXY after 8:30, even before 8:30 GDP, it was running up and it's still continuing going higher. So DX, keep an eye on DXY actually. I mean, we always keep an eye on it, but I'm saying if it passes 101.37, then it continues going up crazy. Then it is possible that it can turn the market around and go down. So right now, it's looking very bullish pre-market, but it's possible that it just consolidated around 101.37. But if it goes crazy up and past the highs of like pre last few days, highs of last few days, then it can pull back techs. But for now, it's hovering around 101.37, looking very bullish. So be cautious about it. But if you see 5 minutes MACD dead cross and then follows by 15 and 30 and goes down, then it can help market even rip much higher. Wicks 2% lower, 4%, 4 hours dead cross, daily is dead crossing. That's a good sign. We still have the yellow bar on the weekly. It's most likely is gonna, this one most likely, this yellow means that it's gonna stay in this range and the speed of drop is slowing down. It's making a new low. The low was 12.73, and right now the low of this morning was 12.74. If it breaks that one, we're looking at 12.1, 11.35. Oh my god. Back in the days, it was going between 9 and 11, 10, this range, and I remember those days, 2011, 2012. Maybe it gets there, we'll see. But definitely the speed of drop is just slowing down on the yellow, you can see. But don't, so far, no sign of this ripping up. BTC jumped up yesterday after market close, and right now it's above. It's still 29k. um the daily, we need to get some bullishness on the daily, like yellow bar, see on the TTM squeeze or MACD curve up, then you can, BTC can join this run up again. Apple has earning next week, and pre-market right now 5 down, 15 down, 30 is about to dead cross, but is staying in the range, so gotta pay attention to the price action. Is bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. If MACD daily golden crosses, it can do a pre-earning run up. So right now is between 195 and 196, establishing a range, as you can see here since morning. You gotta pay attention to the price action on this one. If it goes below, good morning Daniel, if it goes below 195.84, then lower supports are those levels. If it goes above 196.96, that's a super major level, and then we're looking at 197.94, 199.52, and 201.1. If it does break 201, it can get crazy and go to 207 before earning. Amazon was very weak last 2 days. Um, so right now it's coming back to 131. That's a major level. Earning is next week. So 4 hour golden cross after close yesterday, and Meta helped it. eBay drop helped it too. So past 131, we're looking at 132.46. 132.46, that's the major level for today to come. That's the target for today. If it passes 132.46, then we're looking for earning run up 133.34, 134.77, and 136.19. 15 is flat, 5 is flat. Need to break 131 for run up. Nvidia 10 points, almost 10 points higher. LRCX earning was good, so that helped it a lot. And also futures running up. Because of LRCX went to 456, but the futures went so much green, and right now it's getting close to 466.35. But it's holding up there right now. So if it passes 466.35, we're looking at 468.3, 471, and 474.61 next target. 4 hours is very bullish, 1 hour very bullish. Need to break 466 for run up. If again 461 breaks, then it can retest 456.96. BABA, Hong Kong exchange is going into the bull market, 20% higher, but at the same time 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar, which is not a good sign for now. Most likely this is gonna consolidate under 98.83. That's a super major level for BABA. Needs to break this one to have a crazy run up, to go to 100 and above targets. But for now, it's been resisting 98.83 many times. Pre-market looking a little bit bearish, so supports are 96.81. If it breaks it, it can go to the lower level. Keep in mind, Baba and B, these just do 1 day run up, 1 day run, the next day fade, and then again repeat. BDU same thing. Pre-market no clear direction, 1530 a little bit down. Need to break 150.45 for run up to the higher levels, and if it does break 149.14, then fade and go lower. Netflix trying to join. 4 hours already golden cross, but in general daily we have a red bar, so there is a pressure downward, and weekly is curved down. Need to break 430 for run up. If it does break 430 mental level, then we're looking at 432.2, 437.76. Pre-market 515 is downward. If you see a 5 minutes MACD golden cross and pass 426.64, then it can retest 430 and higher level. But again, because the pressure on daily is down, if you see a drop at open and pass 423, again 419, 415.81, so next target. Meta, nice delivery, good earning, and just money making machine, the best, getting too much money for advertising. So next long targets are 335, 345, 354, and if it does break 354, next target is 367, and all-time high 384. Most likely this new season, 384 should get close to it. So before next earning, I predict a new all-time high coming on Meta, or whatever reason, or news or something. 384 should come. Pre-market right now 5 and 15 is downward, 30 is about to dead cross, so need to break 335 If it runs up, if 5 and 15 minutes MACD golden crosses, 335 comes. But right now 5 and 15 is downward a little bit. Is holding up, is price action is not like showing any sign could go down, but 5 and 50 direction is downward. So if 30 minutes MACD dead crosses and breaks 324.36, then it can retest lower level. It's possible to go lower and then go a little bit low at the, I mean, it's possible. I'm not sure what's gonna happen at the open. We'll see. But after open, if the 5 and 15 stays down and 30 MACD that crosses, it's possible to go lower and then back go higher again. Tesla, 4 points higher. Keep in mind Tesla, we have a dark blue bar on the weekly, and then we have a red bar on the daily. So general trend is a little bit downward there. Just keep that in mind. But so every time it jumps up, there is a high possibility that it pulls back. But for now, anyhow, market jumps up. Market is green, so Tesla joined too. 5 is up. 15 is downward. 30, it's kind of flat, but 1 hour and 4 hour are very bullish. And need to pass 272 to get interesting. Once it passes 272.93, then it can go for a bull run and go back to the highs. But for now, if it passes 269.42, next target is 272.93. And if it passes 272.93, next target 275, 279, 283. But at the same time, keep in mind, we have a red bar TTM squeeze on the daily. So it's possible to jump up, then fade again. Microsoft, it's still in the category of weak names. Earning wasn't so great. No guidance. Daily dead cross. Weekly is downward. Market helped it a little bit jump up, but again weak. 5 is down. 15 is downward. 30 if MACD dead cross and passes 338. We're looking at lower level 330x, 333, and 331. But if it 5 and 15 you see MACD golden crosses and passes 341, then it can go higher, and 344 is a key level to watch. That was the level that at the open yesterday it touched it, then it pulled back. So if it passes that one, we're looking at 346 and 348 and 350 possible to come, but lower chance for jump on Microsoft. Google in the category of a strong name, just need to pass 131. Pass 131, then we're looking for next target 135.59. Can you bring it, please? Pre-market right now, 5 is up, 15 is upward, 30 is upward, and 1 hour kind of flat. If the 1 hour MACD golden cross, it can go for a squeeze up. Google is very, very strong, and this season is going to be very interesting. Just look at the daily, how bullish it is. And weekly is curved up. I mean, it's just a very, very bullish signs there. Until you don't see a 4 hour dead cross, this is in the bull run. So need to pass 131.82 to go 135 yesterday. Even market was just up and down in FOMC. You can see it held up. It was just up and down in the range. But right now is making opening a new high. Let me just check. Okay, the high of after the earning was 132.49. So that's another key level you want to watch. 130. If it passes 131.82, then next target is 132.49. Passes that one, then we're looking at 135 to come. AMD. Let's go faster. AMD pre-market 5 and 15 downward. Need to pass 112.21 for running higher to the higher level 112.98, 114.22, and 115.47. But in general, this one is in the category of weak names because of just look at the daily and weekly. Daily we got a red bar yesterday. Weekly is already dead cross. So anytime this jumps, it could be temporary and pull back again. So just keep that in mind because of the general trend on daily and weekly. But pre-market, don't see anything special. Need to pass 112.21 for crazy run up. Boeing, a nice jump up to 235 major level. Pre-market right now, 515 is downward. So if you want to lock profit, it would be a good idea at open. But generally, this name is on the run, and my next target after if it runs up higher and past the higher pre-market, we're looking at 243, 249, and 255. Doubt it comes today, but it is small chance maybe comes tomorrow. Who knows? There is a lot of upgrades on it, and need to get 15 and 30 MACD golden cross to go higher. My next long target is 255.69 on this one, and if it goes crazy this season, we're looking at 264, 275 before next earning. This one is on a breakout. This is really just look at the volume yesterday. SPY 459. So we broke 457 major level, and right now next major level is 463.13. So just need to pass 460 mental level, then we're looking at 463, 467, 471, 77. So these are the next major level. And pre-market right now, 5 is dead cross pre-market, 15 is a little bit flat, but 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything looking very bullish. Need to break 460 and then squeeze up higher. QQQ above 382. Next target is 385. It's high chance 385 to come today with all these gaps up. 385 passes, we're looking at 387.33. 515 no special direction, still flat, but 30 is still bullish, and 1 hour and 4 hour very bullish. So SPX, let me just fix this one. SPX, my target today is 46.18. So right now I think it's opening about 46.10, 46.15. So next my target is 46.14.39. If it does pass that one, then we're looking at 46.44. And I'm not saying today, but it's possible soon to come. Not sure tomorrow, but possible in next week. 46.73.76. That's the next major level. IWM need to break this one, jumping up, making a new high. 198.83 passes, we're looking at 200.33 to a 184. LRCX passes 672, we're looking at 683, 698, 718. DIA making a new high, it's already above 355.55. So next target is 358.84. DI is an ETF for Dow Jones. NEO, this one 1441. That's the next target, is getting very close. Past that one, sky is the limit. AVGO 908, 914, 919. PDD need to pass 85.3 strong. Next target is going to be 86.75, 89.09. What else? You got too many gaps up today. SMCI 328. If it passes, we're looking at 333, 340, and 350.44. XPEV, look at 22.3. If that one, that's the next target. TDOC was very crazy yesterday, so passes 29.36. We're looking at 30. 30 passes, we're looking at 30.91, 32.07. Roku is strong, has an earning today after close, so next target is 75.26, 77.18. What else? FTX was strong yesterday too. 269.87 passes, we're looking at 271, 274. RIVN gapping up too. Next target is 28.59, 29.15, 29.7. Gold is falling 2 points. Money is flowing out of gold. That's a good sign. That means money is coming back to equities. So to 179 and 174 is next target there. What else? You got CRWD. 158 passes. We're looking at 160, 162, 164. What else? CMG is falling. That's pretty much it. As always, just let me look at some other. MCD, that one jumped up but it pulled back. Disney 4-hour MACD's golden cross, so passes 86.34. We're looking at 87 and 88.18 next. SQ 77.788 past 81.3 next target. Net 2 points higher. 67 is the next target. 67.94 passes. 69.94 next target. Airbnb, Boeing is helping it, so this one is on the run too. Keep an eye on it. Shop 2 points higher. So many gaps up today. 66.41 passes. 67.32. 68.49. PayPal. The next target is 75, 70.74. CRM 230 passes, we're looking at 232, 234. And QCOM, the last one, now I have to do now 127, 128 passes with 130 to 79. And now Now pre-market looking hot too. 515.30 is upward. Just need to pass 595. Past that one, we're looking at 600 mental level, and then if past that one, 617 and higher level. Best of luck as always. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like join side option service. And I have levels on chartwiser.com. And best of luck today. Market is in a breakout. Just need to jump at open and goes up crazy. All right. Thank you. Take care.